What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on this channel. In this video, we are going to look at what exactly is Python's concurrent.futures model. So Python's concurrent.futures model provides a high-level interface for asynchronous execution with clean APIs that simplify concurrent programming. It offers a thread pool executor for thread-based tasks and then process pool executor for process-based operations. And both managing worker pools, the model uses future objects to track pending computation and retrieve results. So we have executors, that's the threads and processes, and the use cases. So the thread pool executor is best for input-output bound tasks such as network requests and file operations and also database queries. Threads share memory but are limited to Python's global interpreter lock. What is the process pool executor good for? It's good for optimal CPU bound tasks such as data processing, complex calculations, and image manipulation. The processes use separate memory spaces, bypassing the GIL but require more resources. So that's it for this one, and that's the difference also between the thread pool executor and process pool executor. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't understand any part of it, do well to post it in the comment section. But you have to also know that both executors follow the same pattern: submit tasks, collect features, receive results, making concurrent programming simple in Python. Okay, that's it for this video. Let's move to the next video.